Hi there, Brandi here. Today I'm gonna take you on my lock care routine, my wash routine, using some of the Pattern products. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Pattern Conditioner, Intensive Conditioner for tight textures, as well as their Clarifying Shampoo when I wash it. And then when I get out of the shower, I'm gonna use this situation. So basically you take this little part off right here and it self-warms and you have your hot oil treatment. So it's just gonna be a whole like self-care situation going on in this room. All right, I'm out of the shower, which means I'm gonna start my hot oil treatment by Pattern. Oh yeah, you take it off and then it's gonna start heating up on its own. It's getting warm. Oh my God, that's amazing. And I'm gonna use their ARGAN oil, hair serum. Like get in there, get in there. So I'm gonna be using this lusciousness, oh my gosh. Now, I usually just kind of rub it in my palm a little bit and put it near the part that I'm gonna be locking, which is right here. And then this is what we call interlocking. So you take your hair, you pull it through right there, and then you pull it through again in another part, and then you twist, just like that. And you use the remaining product that's on your hand to just really get it in there through the rest of the hair. Ooh, yeah, just like that. And you want your hair to be really secure near your scalp, so that way it doesn't thin near the top, and then it gets your lock, it's larger and larger at the bottom. So you want to just really secure it. And that's how I lock my hair. Along with the styling cream, one of the things that I do is use their jojoba oil as well to get into my locks as I'm twisting. And I love the way it makes my hair feel. All right, we are almost done.